Hey guys, ain't shot a movie in a while. Thought I'd show you developments on my I normally go up and down there. As you can see, it has developed some dampness and is currently building new obstacles for me to get up and down it. Can't really see very well, but right up in there, right about, oh, let's see, where's my finger? Right, oh, in that area, right there. It's not going to focus. Right behind that knob, there's a flat spot that fills up with water. And it all kind of pours out through a crack just this side of that knob. There used to be a big log that connected that knob to the solid ground on the other side. You can see that log further down now. It washed out last winter. And we've had a solid 7 or 8 inches of rain this week. It's just been coming down. But as you can see, it's not raining now. Gorgeous afternoon, sun's going down. Got to relight my cigarette. Water flowing by. Reminds me I'm standing in it. It's not deep enough to get your boots wet unless you sit still and you kind of dig yourself into a hole. Camera is just not wanting to focus on zoom. I'm shooting video. Ocean's quite a bit calmer now than it has been, even though it's pretty rowdy. Some ducks out here hunting. Bopping around in the surf looking for lunch, dinner. Pretty. The sun's going down over there behind the head. It means I got about 20 minutes before it gets dark out here, but I'm not concerned. I know these trails like I know the bathroom route. Can do it in my sleep. But still, it's better not to test it. We're not going to hang out too long. I've been down here about an hour already. Long enough to smoke a joint. Walk up there to where them houses are on the cliff and back. Dang, cigarette went out again. Gorgeous. You don't get quite the sunset you do during the rest of the year when it sets out here, but it's always real pretty going down behind the head there. Lights up. It's in, I want to say, September. From here, the sunset's right directly behind the lighthouse, and it's just gorgeous. I'm sure if you follow me, you've seen pictures on my page of this exact phenomena. Way down there, probably can't see it, there's a rock that stands away from the rest of them. There. That used to be an archway. I got pictures and video of that from when it was an archway. I would get pictures of the sun setting behind the lighthouse through that archway. There's a big perfectly round hole. The top broke off from it last year. That's the mystery house up there. No one's ever there. No one really knows who owns it. It's a beautiful spot though. And it's actually on the rock. There's rock underneath it, so it's not going anywhere. Unlike the ones past it, which are all on the, just sitting on sand. So they're prone to go in the big hole any day now. Look how pretty that's lighting up the clouds. Over there to the north, it's lighting them up. Lights bouncing around. Just give you guys an example here in a second when I get there of how much stuff changes down here year to year. Oh, another tree slid off. That whole pile of sand right there is new. That slide. If I wasn't already tired, I'd go over there and pick rocks over there for about an hour. But kind of wore out. This nub right here in front of me, when I first moved here, it was part of a wall. It was about 12 feet high. And if you look back in my pictures far enough, you'll see pictures of it. Pictures of me sitting on top of it. But it was about 12 foot high right here where this piece is. And the wall went all the way over there and connected to the dunes. Just a narrow little gap in it. And all of that is washed away in the last 3 years. Just incredible erosion here. Man, that's pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna get some still shots of this action here before I head out. Just thought I'd make a quick video, share some day with you. Peace.